boys and the girls. And they have our gumball machine again. We loaded it with Shopkins and Hatchimals. Hi, girls. We got something. We got a Shopkins, girls. You know, a lot of girls like Shopkins, even boys to like Shopkins, you know. Like me, I like Hatchimals and Shopkins. That's much better. Oh, these are a lot of hats. These are all rare. That's all rare, and this one's comment in the description if this one's a rare. Here it is. What you did? What? What? I got a troll house and he fit it there. Oh, I got a ring. What? What's this a ring? Oh, thumbs down. What in the world? How did you get a ring? I have to get married now, Dada. Guys, I think is it from 12 to... You know what this means? My 12 to lots of rarities. If any boys and girls are watching, I have a special treat for both on the end. Let's see a blurry toy, but girls still like it too. Look. Only got 20 muffin. Is it 20 muffin? Oh, it's a separate muffin. I have a lot of somethings. He's upside down. Honey, like it. Da-da-do-do-do. The bad thing takes. Did nothing even come down? Oh no. He was real? He's trying to not let me surprises. Well, keep an eye out for the troll, okay? Nothing again! What? Oh, the troll comes back to the way. Okay, I film the way he's doing. Get out! The troll's trying to do something. Don't worry, the troll's don't. What does he turn out? Dad, what? Oh, don't worry, he's done. Very nice. I don't have it. But this is my pocket. Ah! I knew he was hiding in my pocket. He was a good boy, but really bad. That means good in Spanish. Hi to all my Spanish viewers. Como está? Uno de tres. Yo sé si yo seis. 7, 8, 9, 10. I got the troll down. Don't worry, guys. The troll is down. He said, boys, I promise you something fun. Don't look. We're doing all these toot Shopkins, and now we have quarter tons. Watch on TV. Guys, look at it. It sounds like this guy's underwater. What's that guy? I'm supposed to make him a... It looks like a flying type. This guy's a water type. What's your favorite? Paper. This one's blue. Welcome to Crosley's Toy Party. Today we have these two dolls. See, they ate the troll. Good job, guys. What's this? I'm back. No way. Guys, thank you for watching Crosley's Toy Party. It was long. Let's get back.